Hi everyone, welcome to Little Urban Apothecary's all-natural tutorial on making an essential oil blend bath bomb that will help anyone that may have anxiety issues, suffer from ADD, attention deficit disorder, as well as ADHD. So I have here today that we're going to add is 2 cups of baking soda. We're going to add 1 cup of citric acid, and that's what's going to give the fizz to our bath bombs. 1 cup of citric acid, 1 cup of cornstarch, or alternatively you could add something different instead of cornstarch. I prefer to use this. Other people choose to use other similar products. But for today's recipe, that's what we're going to use. And in here, you can see I have 5 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And over here is my essential oil blend. And I've added in a little tiny bit of just a little brown bath bomb safe colorant. I want the bath bombs to be kind of like a beigey brown color. So in here I have a unique blend of oils that by inhaling them will help with, once again, anxiety, calming ADD, and calming ADHD. So that said, what I have in here, I have 1 whole tablespoon of cedar wood, and cedar wood in itself is calming. I have 1 teaspoon of sacred frankincense. I have 1 teaspoon of basil essential oil, 1 teaspoon of lavender, and I added 30 drops of patchouli to this blend as well. So give it a good stir. And next we're going to add all of our dry ingredients. I'm gonna put it all in this container here. I'll move these aside. Doesn't matter what order, you just add in all the dry first. So I'm adding in, once again, 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid, 1 cup of Epsom salts, 1 cup of cornstarch, so I just take this little whisk and I'm going to mix everything together. You get everything all nicely blended. So I'm going to show you a trick, and it works every time, how to get your bath bombs out of those little metal molds. So we have to be very careful. Going to mix in our dry ingredients. Like I said, once again, 1 teaspoon of cedar wood, 1 teaspoon of frankincense, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of lavender, and 30 drops of patchouli. I'm just going to slowly add to start, adding this in with the 5 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And make sure you have a little handy dandy bottle with distilled water in it like this, and this is what we're going to use to spritz our bath bomb. So finish adding in. Oh, it smells delicious, very calming, very soothing with these oils. And in the background, I have my oven on, and I put it on 350, and I just let it heat up long enough until pretty much that I've got my bath bombs mixed together. Then I turn it off, and I like to set my unmolded bath bombs just in the heat from the oven, just to help kind of dry them, a little speed dry them before I actually package them. Make sure we get all this goodness out of here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spritz this until it gets the consistency of wet sand. It's probably just like 6 little squirts at a time. Mix it together. Okay, so just keep mixing until we get the consistency of sand. Kind of like in the color, I added in a little more of the gel brown color. So once it starts to form into little balls like this, it's ready to be molded. So here's where it's fun and we get to be a little creative. So I use these little molds, simply this, and if you look in the description of my video, I will show you where to buy all this lovely product in oils. Okay, 1. I'll make 3 at a time. This batch should probably get us, just depending, probably get maybe 9 bath bombs. We'll see. You just want to fill up each cup, make sure it's nice and full. And the trick here is you just simply tap your mold on the bottom of your pan. And look, they come out so easy. And I put them simply on some parchment paper on a cookie sheet until I've got them all molded. Another one. That guy's a little lopsided, so I'm going to remake him. Just add a little more stuff here. See how easy that is to come out of the mold there? So I'm just going to continue making the bath bombs. Okay, so I have let these all dry. And what I choose to do with my bath bombs, some people like to put them in a big mason jar. I've done that, or like a great big Anchor Hawking glass jar, which is cool. But from a sanitary perspective, I like to put them in a little shrink wrap bag, and I tie them with one of my little signature ribbons that look like this, are really cool. And I have a cute little label, let me show you. And it looks like this. And I call my bath bombs Calm Your Squirrel. So once again, thank you very much. I will be posting a very interesting essential oil mix that you can use on your person in a rollerball format that will once again coincide with these bath bombs, which is to wear, which will help with anxiety, ADD and ADHD. So please, if you're interested in purchasing this item, please look in the description and you will see the links to the actual product on Amazon, on my Etsy page, as well as if you're interested, please go like my product on Facebook, and I'm under Little Urban Apothecary. and you can purchase my products there. I will ship to you where you are. If you spend $50 or more, I will give you free shipping. So, okay, thank you very much. And once again, please like this video, and I appreciate you if you subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day.